Hi, this is Lisa Lund again. I wanted to welcome you to 912 AI and a little bit of help with using the site replit.com. That's what you'll use for the Python coding for this course. And so um, I just wanted to get into it. You'll want to log on. Again, this is the website up here and it's in your lesson plans. I'll flip back to those in just a minute. And then the students will need to create an account. So I've created an account. So when you get in, you'll need to sign up. Obviously, I'm going to log in. Always best if you can use your Google account. It just helps students so they don't have to remember certain things. So this is kind of the different things that are in there. There's my home button. Here's different templates that are in here. Um, Notice different forms of code. And then my replicas over here, replas, um, are in here, and I'm going to show you a little bit about that from the lesson plan. So let me go back to the lesson plan. And in the lesson plan, I'm going to go to number 2, and then there's lots of different things to teach in here, and you're talking through all the different functions and things that it's doing during the code. So you're going to go to Explore Replit, and again, it's activity 4 underneath here. Let me get to it. And then notice I have all this code here. So what I'm going to want to do is copy this because I don't want to change the current code that everybody's using. So I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go over here to new file. Oh, sorry about that. New file. And then I'll call this cityscape. Enter. And then I'm going to go paste that code in here. And so I have that same code from the example, but if everybody goes to that link and uses it, then everybody's changing it. So I just wanted to make sure you make a copy. So let's run the code. Up here at the button is the run. So I'm going to run that. So it's producing the same diagram that you saw in the other one. And then you go through the lesson and it asks them to change the height of the blue building, which is this one. So I could always change that. So I'm going to go into the number because I'm going to change the height because currently it's 90. And I'll change it to 30. And then 30, I've changed it to 30 wide, so it's going to make it wider. And then I'm going to change the height of the building as well. And I could change the color of the green building, so I could go in and change this to purple. Oh, we have purple. Yeah. Notice that it's going to fill where this has the command for fill where the others don't. So they're just hollow boxes. Um, and I can always change the width of the purple building as well. So maybe I'll make it 50. And it's telling you where to do it. So if you're wanting to change the location, so I could always make it 120 by 0. So you're doing your axis, X and Y axis on there. So let's run that with my changes and see what happens. Okay, so my changes have been made in that, and I'll have that program from now on. So that'll be in my file. So just making sure when students are going to those files, the explain it, all these that are in the curriculum, that we're actually having students then make a copy of them. So they're seeing a copy. So there's explore it. And then when you have them start the lesson, they're going to actually do another Python coding, and they're going to work here, and they're going to, how could you use Python to draw a red unfilled triangle? So kind of talking through the code of that. So just making sure again that you're making copies of those as you get into these lessons, and students are making a copy rather than coding in the program that you're going into. If you have any questions, please let me know, and good luck.